it's your girl Erin Williams, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I am doing a Amazon haul. I think this is part 2 to the Amazon haul. I've been gone for a little while, you know, just been going through a lot, you know, have to focus on me and get back to where I need to be. So yeah, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so here's my Amazon package. I'm recording this for a second time because my mic wasn't on. So let's see what I have. It's been a couple weeks since I had it because, you know, I'm going through some stuff right now, and I'll talk about that in a video when I'm ready for it. Ooh. So the first thing that I have, oh, this is my little organizer thing for me so that I can organize myself for the month. Yay. It comes in like a little package. I didn't know it was going to come like this. So it includes a large horizontal 6-week magnet for monthly calendar, a magnet sheet fragment for refrigerator calendar for the week's plans, which I need, a magnet grocery list pad, which I need like OD, because like I be forgetting what I need for the grocery store because I just be buying stuff like OD. And then it has a 6 fine tip markers with, oh, I didn't even know they came with markers. Then what I got is a piggy bank because I have change in my car that I need to put in here and I need to see how much it is. So yeah, I got that. Then I got another waist trainer thingy because the waist trainers, I have a fupa like urinal, like gotta get rid of it, so I gotta wrap the fupa up so that I can wear the waist trainer. That's why. And what is this? Did they send me 2 of them? I think this is the wrap. I don't know what this is. Let me open this. Oh, this is the little trash can for my car. Oh, it's so tiny. I thought this would be bigger. Oh, it's so tiny. Oh, and it comes with bags. Yay. Okay. I kind of like this. It's kind of small. I should have got the bigger one, but this was $8. So, yeah. Trash can. Car. Clean. Yes. This is the dry erase board. This is the dry eraser for my board. So, yeah. And the last thing I got, this is going to be for my friend Carlos because he's going to help me meal prep. Like, he thought I was kidding. No, bitch. I'm not playing. We're meal prepping. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to be healthy. Sorry. But, yeah, that's all I got from my Amazon packages. I do have one more package that's coming tomorrow, I think. And that would be another video because I'm making my friend, you know, fix it. So, yeah. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please tell me what you want to see in my videos. I'm going to post a poll and see what my next video is going to be about. You guys need to get on. I'm trying to get up this year, make sure that my year goes by straight, you know, be there. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Eric Gang out.